welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find deleted history on YouTube. So first thing you have to do is open up your YouTube app just like this, and once you open it up, you go straight to your profile. So once you click on your profile, you can see right above your screen the get icon, which is the settings icon, and you're going to scroll down to see manage all history. So you just have to click on manage all history right here, and you click on that. So once you click on that, you have to actually choose an account. So I'm going to choose this, and it's going to take you to your Google account where you're going to see all your histories. So you can actually see all your histories that have not been deleted, but once deleted, you cannot see it. It's not possible. So you can see the multiple videos you've not deleted yet, or you can just try to go to control and try to see, but unfortunately it's not available. So bear it in mind that you cannot actually find the deleted history on YouTube. That's impossible. So I'm just going to tell you the truth. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. That's my next video. Bye.